Draw 4 lines and 5 boxes as I shown and follow this mnemonic RTDCB. R means roots, T means trunks, D means divisions, C means chords, B means branches. Now let's start with roots. Write down C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. Now join C5 and C6, C8 and T1 and C7 stays single. Now let's make trunks out of them. C5 and C6 combine to form upper trunk. C7 continues as middle trunk. C8 and T1 combines to form lower trunk. Now make one dorsal division and ventral division from each trunk. For example, upper trunk will give one dorsal division and one ventral division, and as follows: middle trunk will give one dorsal division and ventral division, lower trunk will give one dorsal division and one ventral division. Now combine all dorsal divisions to form posterior chord as shown. So here you can see posterior chord. Now what we have to do is combine ventral divisions of upper trunk and middle trunk to form lateral chord. Now whatever left will be continued as medial chord. So here you can see medial chord. So while coming to branches, you can remember branches with these mnemonics. For lateral chord, the mnemonic goes like LML. Here L means lateral pectoral nerve, M means musculocutaneous nerve, and another L is for lateral root of median nerve. For posterior chord, you can remember a mnemonic ulnar. U means upper subscapular nerve, L means lower subscapular nerve, N means nerve to latissimus dorsi, A means axillary nerve, R means radial nerve. If it feels confusing, you can go with lunar also. For medial chord, the mnemonic goes like M4U. First M is for medial pectoral nerve, second M is for medial root of median nerve, third one is for medial cutaneous nerve of arm, fourth one is for medial cutaneous nerve of forearm, and U is for ulnar nerve. The major part of brachial plexus is done, but you have to write these nerves which are derived from roots and trunks. One is nerve to serratus anterior coming from C5, C6 and C7, and the C5 itself will give dorsal scapular nerve, and then the upper trunk will give suprascapular nerve and nerve to subclavius. Remember, divisions will not give any branch or nerve out of them. If you practice this diagram for more than once, you will definitely understand it and you will be able to draw this quickly in your exam so that you can save more time and use that time for other questions. By the way, don't forget to have a look on handwritten notes of brachial plexus available in the description box. It gives you an idea about how to present in your examination. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing.